Hello everyone, welcome to Code Guy channel. In this video, we are going to implement the n-queens problem using depth-first search algorithm or DFS. According to the task, we need to implement it with using the stack. We need to place n-queens on a chessboard size n by n, the way when two queens cannot attack each other. Like you see in the picture where Q it is a queen and dot it is an empty space on a board. Queens cannot share the same row, the same column or diagonal. Let's define a function dfs n queens where we pass single parameter n. The first variable we will define it is result. We assign it to the empty list. It will store all the possible solutions for our algorithm. User stories tell us that we need to handle the case when n is less than 1, then we will return the empty list. Result is an empty, so I will return result. The next step, we will define the stack variable. This variable will be assigned to the list that consists a tuple that consists from empty list and 0. Empty list from the tuple, it is a board. 0, it is a number of current row. We will start our numeration from 0 because it is how we starting indexing in the Python. Then we start while loop while stack. Board and row assigned to the stack pop. As you remember, our stack consists from the tuples. The first value of the tuple, it is a board, and the second, it is a row. This way we will remove the last item from the stack. Next, we will check if we found solution. If row equals n, result append board continue. It means that if row equals n, that we successfully placed a queen in every row. With continue keyword, we say we finished and move to the next state of the stack. If we haven't reached the end, we need to find a place for the queen in the current row. For column in the range of n minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Because we are using the stack, we have to go backwards. With 2 minus 1s, we reversed it twice. We need to proceed it from the end, and we need to put it in a stack in a desired order. Let's create next variable, valid move, and assign it to the true. This way we will assume that position is valid. Later on, we will add if statements and reassign it to the false if we are wrong. Now we need to compare every new queen with every queen we already placed. For previous row in the range of row, previous column will be equal the board previous row. Basically, we are saying that we need to go to the previous row and find out in which row our queen is located and tell us where it is. Now it is time to check for conflicts for valid move. First will be the case when queens located in the same column. If previous column equal column, valid move false, break. The next one was complicated for me to get. We need to check diagonals. If ABC previous row minus row equals ABC previous column minus column, valid move, false, break. ABC function, it is built-in function in Python. It will return us only positive numbers. If the value of these two numbers are equal, then we are in the same diagonal. And we are already iterating through each row, so we don't have to check if it is different rows. If we have valid move, we need to append it to our stack. Stack append board plus column, comma, row plus 1. Basically, it means that if position is safe, then we need to add a new queen to the board. We are concatenating list board with a list column. Row plus 1, it means that we need to move to the next row. Go out from your if statements and for loops and return result. We are done. Well, I don't know, it's getting super complicated. I hope it helped you. I tried my best. See you next video. Bye bye.